Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the SANDISK solid state drive. As you know, I try to troubleshoot my sister's MacBook Pro. This one is 2011, and I found out that it has one of the Trojan that was on the hard drive. And after I delete it or quarantine it, it's still kind of slow. So the next step is to put this hard drive in there. This is the Z400s 256 gigabyte 2.5 inch drive. This is a SD 8S BAT-256 gig 1122, and this one is made in China. I got the restored disk right here, and I'm not going to do the dry image and then copy the old hard drive because I don't want to get any of the other virus since it has virus on there, and I want to do a fresh copy. And hopefully, because this is back to original Mac OS X. So I'm not sure if due to the recent update and stuff like that, it happened to my iMac. I updated and it ran so slow like a turtle. And all of a sudden, I'm not sure, my hard drive went bad. So because due to the long update or something, or the process, somehow my hard drive kept on spinning, and then kept doing the update for a long time. And after I finished doing the update, my computer just suddenly crashed, and I had to replace the hard drive. So let's go ahead and then get this started. This is it requires an interface SATA3 6 gigabyte per second, backward compatible to SATA 2 or 1. Form factor is 2.5 inch. Density is 256 gigabyte. Sequential read is up to 540 megabyte per second, and then the sequential write is up to 520 megabyte per second. Random read up to 93,5 KIOPS, and then the write is up to 60 KIOPS. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So as you can see, it is a brand new factory seal. This is a electrostatic sensitive device. So you want to, since I'm putting on a carpet, I'm not going to take it out right now because, well, I could take it out. Let me make sure I touch some kind of metal, okay, to ground myself so I won't zap the hard drive. And this has a sticker that is hard to take it out. And touch the metal again. All right. Z400s S solid state drive. This is the SANDISK. And then there's your golden contact connection. There's a side screw mounting holes, or right here. Depend what kind of notebook or MacBook you have. They might have a different mounting bracket. So I'll be doing a tutorial on how to open this up and then put it in and do a fresh copy. Got this factory restored this right here. She kept it pretty new. This is still brand new, never been opened. This is the first time that I'm going to restore this MacBook. Come with this instruction booklet and then the Apple sticker and then instruction for the adapter. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys like this video about the unboxing for this solid state drive, and then hopefully you guys subscribe and be sure to turn on the bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and then drop any on the comments on below, guys. Alright? Anyway, happy Tuesday, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.